Welcome you guys. Thanks for joining me. If you are new to my channel, my name is Darla Rodriguez, and if you haven't subscribed, please do that right now. We are talking 2019 trends, so stay tuned. So what I'm attempting today is a monochromatic look. And what that is, many of you guys may already know, but what it is it's basically a face with one color. MAC has launched for spring monochromatic sets, which are super cool. That is not what I have today, but they're super cool. They come in like coral, pink, burgundy, even like some earth tone. It's a different shade of one color. So what I have is Lancome also launched monochromatic, what are they called? Monochromatic Souffle. And this is in the color something, because of course I don't have my glasses on. I have no idea, but I can link it below. Oh, soiree. So it's not a souffle. It's not a souffle, it's a soiree. Soiree is the name of the color. I didn't have my glasses on, so I couldn't see. So soiree is the color. It's La Chromatique. Whatever. It's monochromatic. So, I don't even know. Lancome Monochromatic. That's what it's called. They gotta get all the French. Le Monochromatique. In soiree. Okay, so that's this color. So what I'm going to attempt to do is use this on my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips. I was looking at like some different looks, and what's cool is that you can do different textures of the same color. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna throw in there, remember a while back I did this Huda Beauty, and I didn't really like this all over, but I think I'm gonna throw it in on the corner of my eye. I have this pencil and I got it a while back in a beauty box, and it is called Plum Noir. So it kind of goes with this color. So we'll see what it looks like at the end. I mean, I didn't do it before I got on camera, so you are going to see, you're gonna see firsthand how it works out. This is real life maintenance, right? So I've already prepped my face. I have moisturizer, I have my primer, and then I have also my primer on my eyes. I'm just gonna go right in and see. It should be pretty easy because it's just one color, right? We'll see. I wanna kind of pack it on my lid, but you'll notice that I'm not putting it into the corner on purpose. And sorry if I sound like I have mucus all in my nose, because I do. I've been sick. Anybody else been sick? It's like going around. My son, so I thought that he was joking. Well, not joking. Being untruthful. And I let him stay home at the first of last week. And then he was fine like during the day, and I said, okay, we are not staying home tomorrow, because I don't think you're being truthful. And I'm at work and I get a call from the school that he is vomiting at school. I felt really bad. How many of you have mom fails? It's hard to know. They try to trick you, these kids. So I'm really having to build this, but I want to see, I mean, I'd rather have to build than clean up underneath. I do not like fallout. There's no fallout happening, so I'm happy about that. Especially with this pink color, that would be a disaster. I want to get it nice, and I want a heavy color on my lid, I think. What do you think? It's pretty. I've never done this before. I want to get right on my lid there. Oh, maybe I'll take it. I like that. Okay. Sorry, this is gonna be, trial and error, because I'm going right into the crease here, And I have, it's actually a packing concealer brush. It's by Lancome. It's synthetic and it's stiff. So I like to use it sometimes on my lid just to press and pack into the lid because the color payoff's a little bit more. Not necessarily do you always have to use the name of the brush where it says. This says concealer. Clearly, I'm not using it for concealer. You know, many of you could use your finger. I'm not a finger person. I don't like to touch the color with my fingers, so just packing it in. And I am leaving these corners free on purpose. Kind of blend it out just a little bit. Yeah, really lightly. And I might even go under my eyes with this color. This shouldn't take very long. It's just one color. It's just getting the effect that you want. I'm gonna take this one. This is the plum color. It's called like Plum Noir. And I'm going to put it into my lash line and probably blend it up just a little bit. Is it looking monochromatic? I have nothing on this brush. I'm just kind of blending out what I have on my eyelid already. I kind of like that. This is just a simple look. It shouldn't take you forever. It's gonna take me forever now, and it might take you a bit when you're first trying it out. Again, I do not have, oh, I kind of like that. I'm gonna do this one like that. Yeah. Okay, I'm feeling it now, you guys. It always just takes you a minute and then you get going on it. Okay, I'm gonna go back into here. This is an angled brush. This is the E70 from Sigma. And then I'm gonna pack in, just to give it that angled look. I really like more of a cat eye. I can't help it. So I'm just meeting this out to where I took that liner. I think I'm gonna go back in again. And reinforce that line. And then smudge it out, you know, like what we do, blend it out. Okay, so I think I have the pink kind of down. So I'm gonna go in, I just have a little bit of Anastasia. How dare my phone. A little bit of Anastasia that I'm just putting up at the top of the brow bone here, just to kind of blend things. I might bring that other brush in just real quick, kind of keeping it low. And again, no color on this brush. I'm just kind of blending. So I have the shadow on. I did the liner. I've kind of faded it out just a little bit. No black is on because I'm going to put black mascara. In the corner, I am going to add just a little bit of texture. This is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal. So I bought this when it first launched, and for me it doesn't work all over the lid. You can wear this metal all over the lid, but I do like it in the corner. Because it's still along that like pinkish, keeping it all one color. Now what I'm gonna do is we're going to pop on concealer real quick, do my foundation, and then I'll come back and we'll do the blush and the lips, okay? Okay, so I'm back. I got my face on, did my mascara, did my brows. Now we're gonna go in with the cheek. Now again, I'm gonna use this same color. I've used it all along here. I'm kind of liking it. And you know, once you get the feel for the look that you want, then I think it would go pretty quickly because you're only dealing with one color. So I'm still using the same color that I used on my eyes, that monochromatic in the Soiree for my cheeks as well.
Your sorbet.
My sorbet. The souffle sorbet. And now, I think I want to put a little bit underneath my eyes. Let's see. Why not? Yeah. Just a little. Again, this is how makeup goes, right? Like, you just got to go with your gut. What you're wanting. I don't like, my eye always does this, the right eye. I like to have like smoothness right here of my concealer. Whenever I do eyeliner, it gets all weird right here. Yeah, I like that. So because I did that, I am gonna throw a little bit of mascara on the bottom. Then we'll do the lips and we're done. So I don't know if you saw my last video, but I did one on the Maybelline Color for All lipsticks. Well, you guys, you better get on it because I'm doing a giveaway with all 7 colors. All 7 colors. Go to my Instagram. It tells all the details there. So this is only until Tuesday night.
It started on Sunday.
It started on Sunday. And we're gonna do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Go to my Instagram, get the details, and get in on the contest. Get in on it. Whatever, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I'm using this eyeliner as my lipstick because I want to keep it all monochromatic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bleed this in, like blend it. Because it is an eyeliner. It's a creamy eyeliner for that matter. Kind of nice. Now I am going to use my finger. Oh, this is like, I just touch it with my finger. It's like cream. Oh my gosh. Lancome. It's totally like cream. So it's still the same one. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? Okay, I'm such a dork. Now I gotta touch my eyes. I didn't know this was cream. I thought it was like a powder to cream. It's totally cream. Now I want to... Oh, look at that. Okay. So again, it's just trial and error, peeps. Wow, that's so much better with your fingers. I mean, so much better. So I should have done this whole thing with my fingers. Wow. Well, you live and learn, right? Okay, it's so creamy that I don't even know if I'm gonna need lip gloss. I thought maybe I was gonna need it, but I don't need it. Wow, it only took me, what, 10 minutes? Wow. It only took me like my whole face to figure out. I should have touched it before. I didn't want to touch it because the rose is so pretty. Now it's all destroyed because I just touched it with my fingers a whole bunch. So here is a monochromatic look. Things we learned on this video. Well, Lancome's Le Monochromatique. Le Monochromatic, I think is how you say it. These are actually cream, because I just touched them with my fingers. So I usually read about the product on my phone, but I thought, I'm just gonna go in. How hard can it be? And now I know that it is a cream and it is better applied with your fingers. So would this be phenomenal for travel? It would be. And it blends out better with your fingers than it does a brush. So this is the look. This is how I'm gonna end it. The only other product I use, or other products I used, would be the eyeliner and that little Huda Beauty in the center. Everything else is this one item as far as color goes. So kind of cool. Again, MAC has a whole, you guys got to check it out. I'll link it below so you can check that out because it's so, they've got like a few different sets of colors, which is really nice. The reason I did this is because I've been researching just trends for 2019, and even though it's not new, it's a trend for spring. So, you know, get your colors out, or your color. Get your one color that you want to try out. And it doesn't have to even be traditional. March, it is St. Patty's Day. Do a whole green look. I might do that. That would be fun. So this is the first of the series of 2019 trends. And I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And let me know if you know of any 2019 trends that you'd like to see me try. I already have my list, but you know, we can always alter that up and change it as we go. Make sure you enter the giveaway. Again, at this point, you have about 24 hours to get in on it. So again, the details are all in my Instagram. Go over there, check it out. And yeah, we will see you next time. Take care.